In this video, we will show you how to add a card to your Garmin watch, how to pay with your watch, and how to delete a card. Garmin Pay is similar to Apple Pay and Google Pay. You can add your cards to your watch for contactless payments. No need to carry your phone to pay. Before using it for the first time, add your card in Garmin Connect app. First, select your watch. Garmin Pay. Add card. Set up a passcode. Select your card type. Enter your card information. Enter your billing address. Confirm the address. Accept the terms and conditions of the issuing bank. Follow the instructions for identity verification. Your card has been successfully added. Now you can use Garmin Pay for payments. First, go to Controls. Select Wallet. Enter the 4-digit passcode you set. If you have 2 or more cards, select the one you want to use. Then, contactless pay. Lastly, if you want to remove a card from Garmin Pay, select More in Garmin Connect app. Garmin Pay. Choose the card you want to delete. Select the 3-dot icon. Remove. Your card has been successfully removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching.